Hi, Melinda here at Mindy's Craft Shack. Hey, before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up and ring that bell. Now, let's go have some fun. Welcome back to another vlog. Now this is week number 7, and I don't know if you noticed, but I did change the name of my vlog. Why did I do that? I'm glad you asked. I went from the name of A Week in the Life of a Tumbler Maker slash Etsy owner slash YouTuber because, well, let's face it, that was just way too long of a name. The new name is Crafting My Way in an Etsy World. Catchy, isn't it? Now, I can't take all the credit for the name. My hubby, Michael, helped me out on this a lot. With this name change, it opens up the door to my new Etsy shop, which I am currently working on now. It also helps with the handmade items that I will be selling in my shop that I currently have open, Mindy's Craft Shack US. That link will be down in the description below. So this isn't the only thing I'm changing for my vlogs. There's another one that will be coming very soon. I wonder what it could be. Okay, I can't keep it a secret. I am going live. Here's why. My work schedule is odd. For those of you that don't know, I work in a hospital and I work nights. My schedule is I work 4 nights on, 5 off, then I work 3 nights with 2 off. It's really hard for me to get things done, the recording, the editing, working with Etsy, spend time with the hubby, connect with my kids during the week, have time for my animals and home stuff, just like cleaning, shopping, all the daily necessities that you do on your days off. I'm sure there's more, but I think you get the idea. So if I figured it up right, my first live will be May 26th. That's a Wednesday. I don't know what time yet, but I will know that by next week's vlog that I'll be able to record this week. So I have 5 days off. So yeah. Next week's vlog, I will let you know what time I'll be going live. And if any of you have any suggestions about a time, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Whew. Okay, enough announcements. Now let's have a little bit more fun and unbox this nice epoxy mixer. I got this, well actually my hubby got it for me. It's an early birthday present. But we got this at Hobby Lobby and it was $24.99. And so I'm just gonna bring it down and we're gonna unbox it. All right, let's see what we got here. Well, at least you don't have to put anything together. And so it comes with the mixer right here. And then this, let's see, it's 100 mils, I believe. Yeah, 100 mil measuring cup and the mixer that you just plop in there. You put that in. Let's go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my resin. Okay, now I've got some resin in here. And so we're just gonna put that in there. You see it? Now this is supposed to help with bubbles and preventing that. You can see it turning in there. So we'll just let that turn. Let's see for how long. Okay, so in the instructions, it just says to mix, turn on the pressing, the switchback, to follow the instructions provided with the resin for mixing time. So if your resin says mix for 3 minutes, mix it for 3 minutes. So we'll just wait that 3 minutes. So while we're waiting for that to mix, let's go ahead and watch some cleanup and take a tour of the shack. So here I am just starting my cleanup. I start from one end, work my way down, zigzagging across the room. And of course I've got my shadows, Sadie and Rock, following me all around. Here I'm just taking a lint roller brush and going over my mats. This ensures that I get off that epoxy that's dropped and dried and any glitter that might have fallen. Sadie's such a good supervisor. Now that the shack is clean, let's go ahead and take a tour. This is the area where I prepare all my tumblers. Down here is where I store my tumblers, and my tumblers range from a 12-ounce wine to a 40-ounce Hydrosport. Now as we go through the shack, you will realize that everything is in a section. So like here, like I said, I do my prepping, so all my prep work tools that I have and need are in this area. My Cricut, again in this area. Underneath the Cricut, the drawer, it's full of Cricut tools and stuff that I need to grab really quick. Under here is my glitter drawer, my favorite drawer. And then the last drawer here is my spray paints. So everything is like at hand. And then of course right by my Cricut I have my office stuff, which is where my computer and printer is. And then in here's where I keep the Cricut paper. Underneath here is all my vinyl and Cricut papers. And then more tools. You never know when you're going to need a tool. Did you see my minions? My kids got me those for Christmas, since I'm such a minion lover. Now this is my shipping area. So of course all my shipping stuff, my boxes, my wraps, all that are in this area. I also take pictures over here because I do have a lot of natural light in this area. Ah, more vinyl. Imagine that. Now going across from where we just were, here's some more tumblers. And then this is where I do my videos and where I'm going to be doing my lives from. I've got my lamp, if you saw when I came over here, my lamp, and for good lighting. Sorry about that, finger keeps getting in the way of my camera. Here's where I keep my epoxy and everything I use to mix my epoxies. My gloves. Here's where I keep my mica powders, paints, and storage containers for glitter. And then my turners. Here's where I keep my turning wands, the sponges for the turners, my alcohol inks, extra epoxy, I have 4 turners now. Okay, 5 turners. And there you have it. This is the shack. Okay, so here it is. Can you see that okay? I don't want to tilt it too much. Here, let's tilt this down. And then you can see it. Not too many bubbles in there. And it's, yeah, it stirred really well. I like it. So the bubbles that are in there are pretty big, and those will, you know, be easy to pop with your gun, your heat gun. There's not a lot of micro bubbles, which are the harder ones to pop, or at least I think they are. So all in all, it seems to work pretty well. Now, I did notice, you know, something that if, you know, you are wanting to do like 100 mils of epoxy to stir, you're not going to be able to use that because of the way it tilts, it's going to spill. So I think you could probably get away with doing like a 50 mil amount, but that's about it. I don't think you're going to be able to go much higher than that. So all in all, I think it was a great buy. So yeah, you can get that at Hobby Lobby. Like I said, $24.99, and I'll also have that in the description below. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this week's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed the tour of the shack. Also, make sure you check out the descriptions down below. All the links to my social medias will be listed there. And also, the link to my private Facebook group is listed. Now, if you're new to my channel or haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe. Push that button right there. Also, give me a thumbs up and ring that bell for new notifications of upcoming videos. Don't be shy. Go ahead and leave me a comment. You all have a happy and safe week. Bye.